When you're stuck in the middle of nowhere, mud up to your doors, no trees around, and your buddy's rig is miles out, you need something solid to winch off of. That's where a good winch anchor comes in clutch. Whether you're crawling dunes, snowbanks, or backwoods trails, having your own portable anchor can be the difference between getting out or spending the night. In this video, we're breaking down the best winch anchors for off-road recovery. You'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's dig in. Next up is the RedRock ground anchor, your go-to when there's not a single tree, rock, or solid object in sight. This bad boy is all steel, designed to dig deep and hold strong in sand, snow, or soft mud. It's basically a giant claw you slam into the earth to create your own winch point. Off-roaders love it for solo recoveries when you're way out and the trail's gone AWOL. It folds up nice and flat so it won't hog space in your rig, and setup is quick. Just slam it, pull hard, and let it bite deep. Now the Deadman V2. This thing is a wild card in the best way. Made in America and tipping the scales at just 8 pounds, it's not just a ground anchor, it's a rock sling, tree saver, tow strap, even a makeshift stretcher if things go real sideways. It's crafted from industrial-grade polyester slings with a mind-blowing 66,000-pound braking strength. No metal, no bulk, just raw versatility. Dig it into the ground, wrap it around a boulder, or hug a tree. It's always ready to work. Lightweight and crazy strong. This is a must-have for overlanders and solo travelers. The Pull Pal is the OG of winch anchors, and this latest version is better than ever. Now compatible with soft shackles and made right here in the US. Weighing 40 pounds with a huge spade, it digs in deeper the harder you pull. Whether you're running a full-size truck, Unimog, or Humvee, this anchor's built to handle rigs up to 10,000 pounds. Setup's fast, and it folds down to the size of a bumper jack. Easy to stash. It's a bit bulkier than the others, but when you're deep in sand or snow, nothing sets like a Pull Pal. Serious tool for serious recovery. Whether you're rock crawling solo or convoying through snowy back roads, a winch anchor gives you an exit plan when there's nothing else to latch onto. From compact and crazy strong like the Deadman, to the rugged dependability of the Pull Pal, there's something here for every type of off-roader. Check out the product links down below, give this video a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you're always geared up for the trail.